Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to maintain the media volume while using navigation. So normally when you're using your navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze, your music or video sounds automatically lowers every time a direction is announced. So you have your music playing, and when Google Maps announces the direction, your music basically lowers down. So with the sound assistant, you can override that so that your media keeps playing at the same volume while your navigation prompts play in the background. So let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. In the GoodLock app, scroll down, find Sound Assistant. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find this option here, Maintain Media Volume while using navigation. So go ahead and turn this feature on. However, it may not work on all cars. It all depends on the vehicle's manufacturer's settings. So do keep note of that. Now, once you have turned that on, you can go ahead and play media while you're navigating in your car, and this will basically not reduce the volume of your music playing in the background. So this makes driving much more enjoyable. You'll no longer have your favorite song interrupted or your podcast constantly ducked in the volume. Instead, you can enjoy seamless entertainment while still hearing important navigation directions clearly. So there you go, guys. That is how to maintain media volume while using navigation on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.